Hello students, hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at home. So in the last video we have started the chapter number 1, chemical reaction and equations, in which we have done the different activities which shows that chemical reaction takes place when there is a change in state or change in color or evolution of gas or there is a change in temperature. So dear students, today we will do chemical equations and how to balance the chemical equation. Dear students, watch this video very carefully till the end. This is a very important video because from this topic in the final examination you will get 3 to 4 marks question. So let us start the first topic. In activity 1.1 we have done magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen and it gets converted to magnesium oxide. So if I have to write it into simple form, I will write like magnesium plus oxygen give rise to or produce magnesium oxide. So dear student, this is what? This is nothing, this is, we call it word equation. Word equation. Okay. So in this equation, the left hand side substances are called reactants and right hand side substances are called products. So these definitions we have done already in junior classes, but I will repeat. The substance that undergoes chemical change in reaction are called reactants. For example, magnesium and oxygen in this reaction, and the substance, new substance formed during the reaction, the new substance formed during the reaction are called products. You may underline this in our book also. Here the definitions are given in this paragraph, definition for the reactants and definition for the products. Okay, next students, we will write the chemical equation. Chemical equation, it is clear from the name. Now we will change this word equation into chemical equation, means we will write its chemical symbols. We have done already in 9th class. What is the symbol of magnesium? It is Mg. Okay. What is symbol of oxygen? It is O. But remember, in the last video I have explained you that in 10th class whenever they ask you oxygen, it means oxygen gas. Okay. So oxygen gas symbol is O2, not O only. Okay. And then magnesium oxide, MgO. So for this also I have asked you in the last video, please revise the 9th class topics in which we have done the formation of compounds. Repeat it, otherwise it is difficult for you to solve all the chemical equations. Okay, if this is wrong, you are not able to solve any equation. Next students, we have to compare the number of atoms of each element on left hand side and right hand side of the equation. Is the number of atoms of each element are same or different? If the number of atoms of the same element are different, then this reaction is known as, this equation is known as unbalanced chemical equation. Please note down again, if the number of atoms in a chemical equation on both sides, left hand side and right hand side, are not equal, then this equation is known as unbalanced chemical equation. Okay, and such a unbalanced chemical equation is known as skeletal chemical equation. What do we call it? Skeletal chemical equation. Sometimes this definition came in examination. What do you mean by skeletal chemical equation? So you can note down the unbalanced chemical equation in which number of atoms of element are not equal in reactants and products are known as skeletal chemical equation. Now, very important question: why it is important to balance the chemical equation? This question is very important. What is important to balance the chemical equation? So, for this, my dear students, in the ninth class, we have done the law of conservation of mass that explains us the mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. That is, the total mass of element present in the products of chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of element present in the reactants. Means this is product and this is a reactant. These two should be equal. Or in other words, you can say that the number of atoms of each element remain the same before and after the chemical reaction.